About this item. Spacious cooking area, includes 443 square in. Porcelain enameled steel wire cooking grates, 184 square in. Chrome-plated steel wire warming rack, and 184 square in. Offset smoker. Offset smoker, use the side fire box to get tasty and authentic smoky flavors in the main chamber. Smoking, grilling, or searing all will be your choices. Adjustable charcoal pan. 2-level height adjustable charcoal pan ensures better heat control and holds up to 4.4 pounds of coal. Airflow control. Close the side air damper completely to cut off the oxygen flow to achieve better charcoal burning, and adjust the smokestack for more precise heat control. Ample prep space. The wood-painted front table and side table offer more workspace for preparation. 3 extra S-hooks are used for hanging grilling utensils. Product description. Capture. Charge. Relax. That's all it takes to get incredible highlight videos sent to your phone automatically. Point 1. Start by capturing your adventures with Hero 11 Black, the most powerful GoPro yet. It features front and rear LCD screens that let you frame your shots perfectly, plus a new image sensor that unleashes the tallest and widest field of view ever on a Hero camera. The result is higher image quality, better video stabilization, and the flexibility to turn your footage into wide cinematic shots or extra tall vertical shots for social posts. 5.3K video and 27MP photos help you relive your best moments in stunning detail, while Emmy award-winning Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization with Horizon Lock keeps your footage straight even if your camera rotates a full 360 degrees. After your adventure, simply plug in Hero 11 Black to charge and kick back. While you're relaxing, your footage is uploaded to the cloud, automatically turned into an amazing highlight video, and sent to your phone, ready to share. Product description. When it comes to how to choose a suitable charcoal grill, it's all about budget. Royal Gourmet CC 1830W barrel charcoal grill with offset smoker satisfies you in every respect. Cooking on this grill is the easiest way for you to get tons of delicious, sweet and smoky flavors and tastes with minimal efforts and lost in the tempting delights that comes off the charcoals. From the most basic veggies to the more complex pork grilled meals, our charcoal smoker, combined with the offset smoker, is versatile enough to get all things done. Royal Gourmet is a professional grill manufacturer and supplier integrating product development and manufacture. Its sub-brands include Creole Feast and Grills House. Driven by the passion for joyful barbecue grill gathering around food and fire, our innovative team has been committed to providing a wide range of products for every lifestyle and budget. We are dedicated to provide products with reliable quality, affordable value, and premium service. Royal Gourmet CC 1830W 30-barrel charcoal grill with side table, 627 square inches, outdoor backyard, patio, and parties. Black Amazon.com return policy. Amazon.com voluntary 30-day return guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. Our voluntary 30-day return guarantee does not affect your legal right of withdrawal in any way. You can find out more about the exceptions and conditions here. Manufacturer's warranty can be requested from customer service. Click here to make a request to customer service.